Now that your Sandbox course is ready, we want to establish a course identity. The first step to doing that is to add a course profile image. Hover over the profile area and select Edit Picture. Click Attach File and select an image to upload. Course profile images are critical to help students identify and differentiate your course from others that they may be enrolled in. Consider using an image that speaks to the course content and not the school name or mascot, which are too generic and won't help the students quickly find your course. The course profile image also appears in the course menu. Your turn. Pause here and complete Performance Task Set 1. As you continue establishing your new course, be sure to look over your course options. Directly under your course profile image, you'll find the Course Options drop-down menu. Take some time to explore each of the options within your own Schoology workspace and Sandbox course. I'll highlight just a few of them now. Let's start with Edit Privacy, Course Settings. On this Settings and Privacy page, you'll see that there are an assortment of tabs along the top. But we're going to focus today on the Privacy tab. In this top grid, the green squares with check marks indicate who can see different types of materials inside your course. In Schoology, privacy is controlled with thresholds. In this example, the course profile is visible to anyone who is a member of the school, but not Schoology users outside the school. The roster, however, is only visible to members enrolled in the course. Hover over the question mark next to each option to learn a little bit more about what that option is controlling. You can change any of these privacy thresholds at any time, but be sure to always click Save Changes to put your changes into effect. Once you're comfortable with your privacy settings, use the breadcrumb link above the list of tabs to return to the main page of your course. Your turn. Please pause here and complete Performance Task Set 2. It's tempting to start adding materials at this point, but it is important to configure one other area of your course before adding materials: the Grade Setup. Choose Grade Setup from the left menu, and you will be brought to the Grade Setup page. There is a plethora of options and fine-tuning that is possible within this area, and if you are interested in going deeper than the information provided in this video, reach out to the Schoology Professional Development Team to learn more about a training course specific to handling grades within Schoology. For today's purpose, however, which is to get you up and running as quickly as possible, the only thing you need to set up ahead of time is the Categories area. Next to the Categories heading, click the Add button. Give your category a name, and choose to calculate it by total points or percent. You also have the option to drop the lowest grade when calculating this category. For this example, we are going to leave the defaults as they are and just add a name. We'll do this 3 times to create 3 new categories. The first one we'll call Homework. Click Create to finish. Click Add again to make another one that we will call Quizzes and Tests. And finally, the third category we'll call Classwork. All 3 of the new categories should appear on the Grade Setup page. If I select the Weight Categories checkbox, the option to weight each of the 3 categories appears. I also can choose to star any one of the categories, and this will set that category as the default for all materials I create going forward in this course. Finally, if I no longer need a category, simply click the X next to any of the categories to delete it. Once you're satisfied with the grade setup, be sure to click Save Changes at the bottom of the screen. Utilize the breadcrumb link at the top of the page to return to the main page of your Schoology course. Now it's your turn. Take this time to open your Sandbox course, click on Grade Setup, and create a few new categories of your own. Once complete, return to this course and we will discuss adding materials.